Hello guys, this is like the third, fourth, maybe fifth time trying to record this video. I'm hoping this works. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a review on the I-16 Type 5, which is currently rank 1 and battle rating 1.3 aircraft in the Soviet air tech tree. Overall, it's a pretty good aircraft. I mean, I can't find too many faults with it, except for armament. The armament's not brilliant. As you can see, it's only two 7.762s even, but they do have an 1800 rounds per minute rate of fire, which is very good. No, just grab that. Generally, it's a relatively fast aircraft, though of course SU-1s, BB-1's faster, MiG-3-15's faster. It's generally around this BR, it's not incredibly fast. Let's put it that way. And so yeah, let's get straight into a battle. It's got probably one of the best turn times for any sort of monoplane around this BR. Yeah, so straight into this battle. Okay, so straight in. And fly off. So generally, this is probably my favourite fighter at this BR. Like, I just love it so much. Well, it's 1.32. I mean, in Air AV it's 1.7, so it proves a little bit more of a disadvantage to play in Air AV. But in RB 1.3, still fighting tons of biplanes and stuff, which you can very much easily outspeed. Like, they are really slow compared to. And if you go in like a sort of shallow dive, as we have here, 5 degrees, like nothing apart from biplanes, monoplanes like BF-109. Like, really, the only threats to you are 109s, 112s, and 100s. HE-100s and HE-112s, that is. And then you've got the BF-109s, like the B variant and the A variant, and you might see some emails referring to the E variant. For the most part, it'll just be the two starting. Who are we fighting? Yeah, Germany and the USA. So, definitely going to be some 109s. Definitely. Yeah, P-36s can prove to be a bit of a problem too, if played incorrectly. If played against incorrectly, that's saying. So yeah, generally it's quite a good aircraft. I mean, apart from perhaps the roll rate, which isn't brilliant, I can find zero faults with this. If you do exclude the sight in the cockpit, because I just hate those types of sights. I really do. The P-36 is 50 calories, isn't it? So I don't really want to engage in a fight with it. We're going to go on the HS-123. So slow target, and it's dead. P-26 on my tail. Bound onto him. It looks like he's going down. No, not quite. He's taken a lot of rounds, obviously. I don't mind if I get the assist here. Hey, I got the kill. What was that? Try and get this P-36. Oh no, thank you. I'm not going to engage on a head-on with anything. You know, two 7.62s aren't necessarily the best. Stall speed isn't bad either. Oh, HE 151. The only thing I can do against that realistically is outspeed it. As the 109, however, we're gonna have a little bit more options. I've got a crit on it. It's turning around, which is a terrible idea for him. I can easily outturn him. No, that's not very good, that's not good, that's not good. Oh, oil's overheating. Yes, oil overheats. I think I'm gonna want to get out of this, of the combat zone sometime soon. So you know that HE... Oh, it's dead. Is HE 51 down? No, but my engines are being very heavily damaged. So I'm going to put on WP. Oh no, I can't. Okay, let's just try and get home. So engines dead. 2 kills, 1 assist, not bad so far. I'm going to try to get back. Don't know if I'm going to be able to though. So though not many rounds hit me, the ones that did caused a lot of damage. I don't really want to reduce the throttle much because I'm nearly at the stall speed. Yeah. And I want to increase to 5 degrees up. Hopefully that's not too bad. Engine sounds like it's about to give way. Hey, but we won the match. And I'm not dead, which is the most important thing. Well done, boys. Well done. We won this one. Got second place too, so not bad. Hey, and I got a trophy box. Yeah, definitely not bad for a first match. I can definitely go behind that. Yeah. Okay, goes back to hangar. Going to customization. What's the new camo I unlocked? That's quite nice. Put on the 100. I want. Yeah, whatever. Allies, aircraft. Yeah, mosquito, whatever. Yes, aircraft 100. And I want the 100 on the tail. Text for Starlin. Here. Yeah, that's the I-16 Type 5. Maybe I should do another match just to see how good it could be, potentially. Maybe just get the MiG-315. Yeah, I might do that. I might order the MiG-315. Okay, so this can kind of be a two-parter. So let's get straight into part 2 and review the MiG-315. Then, again, to a match. And you can just see how it plays. Seems a lot less manoeuvrable, but it's got heavier hitting armament. 2 50 cals and 1 7.62. Which definitely does a bit more damage. Yeah, no, 150 cal and 2 7.62s even. It's a lot faster too. It's got a better rate of climb. I don't know whether it gets air spawn or not. It does get an air spawn. That's neat. All the way back there though, so. We've got aircraft that can very easily destroy us in the enemy teams. The heavier hitting 109s can just melt us. Stuff like the F4s, I'm not going to have a nice time against. Put it into a 5-degree climb. Because that seems to be just about all a Soviet plane can muster really well. Losing altitude. Losing speed even. See, it's a sort of radial engine. No, I don't really know the benefit of that. As you can see here, that all the armaments are nose mounted, so they should be quite good for long range shots and head-ons compared to the I-16 Type 5. It's genuinely just an amazing plane, the I-16. I love every aspect of it. Okay, I'm gonna go into it. Oh, we don't have a lot of fuel though. Yeah, only 18 minutes. So I might drop that down to 85%. And drop the rate of climb down to. Okay, I'm definitely gonna wanna. Oh! I think I might turn around now. Oh no. I don't want to go for a P-51. Generally that won't go very well for me. I might dive down in this BF-109 and then head back. Just get a frag and then head back. Though he's being targeted. I'll try. He's dead. Ooh, oh dear, my engine's out. That's not good. Oh well, I'll just try and hit this guy. Yeah, that's me down. Oh, I could have gone for the XFR. Oh well. Flaps combat. Gear down. Oh well. Just return to the hangar. That didn't go very well. It was like, yeah. The second that ME410 hit me in the engine, I knew I was gonna go. Yeah. So that's the I-16 Type 5. I might. Yeah, it's just. Yeah. I can't find any faults apart from the roll rate of it. That's all I don't like about it. Yeah, so generally a very good aircraft. Right then, I'll see you on the other side. Goodbye, everyone.